Seas are coming down. There's pretty big swell out there today. A lot of surfers at the beach. Seas 2 to 4 tomorrow in a light chop. A little tricky getting out those inlets, I'm sure, too. So extra care there. Overnight forecast 75, low 70s inland. Threw in a shower chance, but there hasn't been much on the radar for rainfall in the last couple of hours. 89. Heat index, it'll be around 95 to 100 in the mid-afternoon. So find some shade and stay hydrated. About the same weather pattern into the weekend. Isolated showers and storms and lots of sunshine.